Buddies, hey buddies, thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, fellas, let's speak a little bit about the best way to make money online. Okay, guys, the best way to make money online. Okay, guys, you have to understand one thing. If you want to make money online, one thing that you have to do it is always to have a landing page. You gotta have a landing page. What do I mean by landing page? Landing page, it is a online page on which your customers gonna have the opportunity to, or they're gonna have the opportunity to always see what kind of product you're selling, because you have to understand one thing. You're gonna be promoting to many people, you're gonna be promoting to people on Facebook, people on YouTube, people on TikTok, people or elsewhere, so it's gonna be a lot of people. But one thing that all those people that you're going to promote and they're gonna come to your page, they're gonna have it in common is that they're gonna see the kind of product that you're selling, And then if you're selling a particular kind of product, when they come on your landing page, they will have the opportunity to identify the kind of product you're selling, and it's gonna make much more easier for them to jump into your page, and you have the opportunity to collect emails so that you can gain the opportunity to promote and make money, So make sure that you have a landing page, okay? You gotta have a landing page because what I want you guys to do, it is to promote everywhere, You promote on Facebook, you promote on TikTok, you promote everywhere, But first, you gotta know that you have to master one channel, If you are good with the TikTok, be good with TikTok. If you are good with Facebook, be good with Facebook. If you are good with YouTube, be good with YouTube or anything else, okay? Be master of one platform and be average at the rest of platforms, okay guys? Okay guys, write your comments below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next video, buddy. Ciao.